Oh. No one cares. Dead bloke. Another one. Another one. No. We don't need your pistolgrams. McKay. McKay.
I hope you're still alive, Miss Delacroix.
No.
We could use some guidance up here. They've got those lady cyborgs of theirs loading up the shuttles with those eggs. I don't know what their plan is, but it looks like they're really scared. I hear rumors of someone else besides you fighting back. Should I even hope to get out of this? I'm just gonna hang back until I figure out what the hell to do.
Yeah, you do that. No one cares what you do, though. You're just another dead bloke. There's tons of them. Just as I was about to say. Hey, look, a train. Let's go. Oh, they're loading us up for the final boss. Oh yeah, that one is a bit broken. Maybe.
Hi there. Please make your selection.
No.
Please make your selection. Hi there.
Well, that's a success.
Reinitialized.
God. Oh yeah.
Thank you for choosing Value Wrap.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for choosing Value Wrap.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for choosing Value. Thank you for choosing Value Wrap.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for choosing Value Wrap.
Oh yeah. Right, that'll just about do it. Let's make a save here. Shop. Just in case. Oh great, now we've got to go for 3 parts. Oh well.
She, Mother, told us of the planet of her birth.
We know how you have harmed this place
Ah.
with your pollution
Your violence.
and your discord.
Oh.
But when we arrive there,
We will cleanse the surface of that place
and merge it with the harmony of the many.
Oh. Nice to meet you. Oh! Oh, whatever. Try it. Well, you did try it. That's the point. Meow. Meow. Ow. Now we've got to spend hours healing. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Could you take any longer? It even heals quite a bit. When does it stop? Right, well, whatever. It's still going. It's still going. Oh my gosh. It's like a regen spell. Delacroix.
My veto indicated that the AI, who now appears to be shot, was actually going
I was actually going to interrupt your message. Is what you're trying to say here. No. I don't want to go in there. Good, because you can't. I want to go down there. I'm guessing this will just send... No, I don't want to go there actually. I want to go here. Up here. We better heal some more. We've got tons of it. Oh look. Look at all the alien crap going on. That's what it is. Alien. Right. We don't care. We don't want to hear. That was a success. God! Good, we got a new laser pistol. Good job I didn't waste an auto repair thing on that last one that I killed from massive use. Can you smash? No. How disappointing. Good job we did explore. That was some very optional stuff. So who have we got over here? Looks like the last stop is someplace.
Hello?
With a monkey. Oh hi.
It's all a question of
Yeah. It's all a question of something. I should have listened. Prefontaine. Fontaine? Podge!
The data gathering process is going well. Before I'm taken by the many, I will hopefully transmit a fair bit of information to whoever will listen.
Hi.
The large floating creatures are not only capable of attacking with powerful psi projections,
Wait, what?
but are psi projections themselves. Destroying them only temporarily disables them.
Oh dear.
Their real source of power comes from a small control organism, which is usually located somewhere nearby.
Good.
Although this control organism is quite powerful through its projections, it's eminently vulnerable once rooted out.
I'm scared. I don't like floating enemies that you can't kill permanently without first finding their whatever-ness thing. Hey, there's got to be something down on the track, right? Unless it's electrified. Not that I can get on the track anyway, so there's no point. I don't want to fight any flying...
I
What?
located you, finally. This is Dr. Marie Delacroix.
Oh,
I have
no.
vital information for you, but I'm trapped in Cargo Bay A. Come find me as soon as you can.
Cargo Bay A, huh? Well, it just so happens that I'm about to head to the bridge, actually. So, no, you're gonna have to wait. Because I'm not coming to save you. There's a red fence. I want to...
Move it, Tommy! The escape pod is this.
Tommy?
That damn worm nearly bit my leg off.
There's a lion.
Oh no.
There's a lion. Oh! Don't come after me. I'll save you. No, I won't, actually. Just go and die. Let me in. Really slowest doors in the world of gaming. Oh. I heard something sloppy. There's a lot of crystal weapons here. Huh. An assault rifle, it's fair, but it's broken, so it's very pointless. And useless. It seems no matter what weapon I pick up, none of them had any desire to use...
Potential threat detected. Potential threat detected.
anything other than...
Security alert
Ah! Go away! Anything other than standard bullets. They're all very boring people. Wait, did I use this? No. Oh, because it's repaired. I mean, because it's broken. Oh man. Go away. It's incomplete. Might as well. Oh, go away! You made me drop my stuffage. In a panic. A blind one at that. I feel like playing an RPG. Oh, that reminds me. I've been thinking of recording some RPGs. I know they're going to be long, but... Oh, I don't know which ones. Oh, great. I've just renewed the thing. People are going to start asking me if I'll do Fallout 3. Right, let me finish. The main one I've been thinking of doing is Breath of Fire. And I've been thinking of doing it as an upload as I play. Because, you know, it's an RPG. And they might be a bit long. Well, they will be a bit long. And people might not want to, like, see them non-stop for, like, however many weeks until they're finished uploading.
Access needed.
So I'm thinking of doing an upload as I play of some RPGs now and then. What say you? Well, as long as you don't die like he just did, I'll be happy. Hello? Are you still alive?
Getting the escape pod working again wasn't as easy as we thought. Mech had to go back down to engineering.
Oh, good.
Thank God somebody managed to get the elevators turned on again.
Yeah, really.
Found the bridge key and performed the override on the access protocols. And now I think we're ready to go.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. Ah! I showed that camera who's boss. Not me. I hear a spider. Let's find out. Whoa! It's like my weapons get more powerful every level. Tasty. Norris. Hello.
They've cut off the central elevator. What's going on? Last night I had the strangest dream.
Good.
I was in my room by myself, but all of a sudden there was not just me there, but 100 me's.
Whoa.
1,000 me's.
Magic.
The strangest thing was, it felt good. I
Oh.
felt like I was part of something. Where it belong. I hope I have the same dream tonight.
I don't want those for some reason. A laser rapier. Man, I can't use it. Fuzz! I'm sure the EMP grenades have their uses. But, you know, I'm not interested. Norris, not again. Is that you, Norris? It must be.
Paranoia has struck.
No one cares.
Somebody has changed the
Oh.
access codes to the security station in the officers' quarters.
I will at the
Now
end.
we can't get the key to shuttle control.
I care.
I think Myers is the likely suspect. All that guy thinks about is conspiracy theories and naked girls.
Yep, I care. Naked girls. Yum. Though there aren't nearly enough in this game. Hey look, stuff. Hello? Oh, very good, sir. I hear a fat. But I don't see a fat just yet. Oh! The fatty and the thinny were having sex. Whoa! Whoa! Whoop! I need to use some grenadism. Wait a minute while I find it. What's that? Let's try some of that for a change. Oi! Oh crap! Ah! At least it still works like that too, but I don't want those anymore. They're rubbish. Is there another one?
This place is a terrible mess. It's all very good, sir.
Where?
Marvelous choice. I do see so myself.
Oh, whatever.
Where did he go? Oh,
Oh man. That one's perfect.
I'm sure this is just what you were looking for.
I'm not. Well, I'm just going to quickly explore this room and then that'll be it, of course.
If my service was unsatisfactory, please know I am.
Oh! Looks like they want me to use grenades at these days.
I didn't see where you went.
You're very noisy. Very noisy.
Something is going on. Kerenskin has sealed himself off in Dig 3. He keeps calling for people to go down there one by one. Vogel, Boynton, Switterak, none of them can come back. If they call for me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And Bronson is starting to make a lot of noise. You're the senior flight officer, you have to act. I would, if I knew what the hell was going on.
Would, but I can't be bothered. Let's quickly explore the toilets, we've got some time. And these are just toilets, so it won't take long. Oh! Yep, that was interesting. One more toilet to explore. That was the women's toilet. Of course there's going to be worms in there. Why? Because they wiggle. What's that got to do with anything? All girls might like wiggly things. Oh, right. You wish. Oh, whatever. Blokes have only got disposable maintenance tools. How boring. And next time, we'll be going in there. I do believe. See you then. Thanks for watching.